Is the new Outlook app refusing to open on your Windows 11 PC? You're not alone. Many users are reporting that Outlook won't launch at all, but the good news is, there is a working fix. Let's break it down. Over the past week, several Windows 11 users have reported that the new Outlook app simply doesn't open. You click the icon, nothing happens, and Event Viewer shows error code 0xc0000409. This issue was first spotted on Reddit and later confirmed across Microsoft's official forums. Users tried all the usual troubleshooting steps, repair, reset, safe mode, even reinstalling Outlook, but none of these methods worked. Microsoft's AI-generated support replies didn't help either. Interestingly, this problem only affects the new Outlook app on Windows 11. Outlook on the web, mobile devices, and other platforms continue to work fine. A Reddit user shared a fix that actually works. It involves deleting two temporary Outlook folders called Olk and OneAuth. These folders store temporary email data and authentication information. If they get corrupted, Outlook fails to launch. Before deleting anything, it's highly recommended to make a backup of both folders on another drive, just in case. Here's how to fix the issue step by step. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %local appdata %\Microsoft and press Enter. Locate the Olk folder and delete it. Delete the OneAuth folder as well. Close File Explorer. Restart Outlook. After this, the new Outlook app should open normally. When tested on multiple Windows 11 systems, Outlook prompted for an update and started working again. Microsoft has not yet listed this issue on the Known Issues page, but similar problems have also been reported on Windows 10. If this video helped you fix Outlook on Windows 11, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows fixes and tech updates. Drop a comment if the solution worked for you. See you in the next one.